Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NF's Home School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, lesson 26, discussions. So, my dear students, open your English for Today book and go to page number 78, lesson 26, our wage earners. Okay, so let's start the class. Class 6, subject English first paper, topic lesson 26, discussion, term annual, lecture 10, SW8, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my phone number, this is messenger ID, and today's date 7/9/2020. So let's start the class. Lesson 26, our wage earners. Read the following text and answer the question that follows. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. So a huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. So the word huge means large, big. We can say gigantic. We can say colossal. Okay. So abroad spelling is foreign. Okay. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries like UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, etc. They like Bangladeshi workers because they're hardworking. But it is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs, very important. It is a matter of regret. So regret means, I have written a word demand. Demand means need, want. Okay. And regret means grief. We can say lamentation. Okay. As a result, they are not paid much. This is because our workers are not good at English, Arabic, or other languages. So we should develop language skills for our workers, for the countries they go for work. If they can develop their language skills, they can get good jobs and send more money to our country. Thus, the wage earners of our country can help develop our country. This will be developing in the textbook. This wrong sentence is given. Okay. So I have written another 3 words. Let's write odd. Odd means similar word, strange. We can say weird, peculiar. And ways mean, skill means efficiency, ability. We can say also proficiency. Ways means salary and remuneration. Okay. Let's go to number 2 first. Okay. Answer the following questions. Number 1 will be your SW. Okay. So answer the following questions. A, who go abroad for jobs? Who go abroad for jobs? Let's go to the lesson again. So a huge number of Bangladeshi go abroad for jobs. So this is our answers. So we will write the answers. Who go abroad for jobs? A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Number B, why do they like Bangladeshi workers? Number B, why do they like Bangladeshi workers? Next, again come to the unit. They like Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking. So this is our answer. So next go. Why do they like Bangladeshi workers? Present indefinite tense. Answer: they like Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking. Number C, what is a matter of regret? Answer: we'll go to the text again. This is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. So this is a matter of regret. They are doing the odd jobs. So it is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Number D, why should we develop the language skills of our workers? Let's come to the text again. We should develop language skills of our workers for the countries they go for work. If they can develop their language skill, they can get a good jobs and send more money to our country. So from this one will be answer. This is not. They can develop their language skills, they can get good jobs and send more money to our country. Okay, so answer is we should develop the language skills of our workers so that they can get good jobs. You can also write they can send more money to our country. This is also correct. Okay. Number E, what can the wage earners do to our country? What can the wage earners do to our country? So number one, come to the passage again. The wage earners of our country can develop our country. So the answer is the wage earners of our country can help developing our country. This will be developing because help is a verb, develop is a verb. If two verbs come, we make ing in a one verb. Okay. So your SW will be homework 8, submit on Sunday. Lesson 26, choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Okay, let's read the SW very carefully. Number 1, remember my dear students, this will be your SW. So look down very carefully. I am not pointing. Number 1, choose the correct answer to each question from the alternatives. Number 1, a huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Here the word huge is similar to limited, large, insignificant, small. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Here the word huge is similar to limited, large, insignificant, small. Next, go to number 2. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries. Here foreign means number A, strange, B, peculiar, number C, odd, number D, overseas. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries. Here foreign means strange, peculiar, odd, overseas. Number 3, but this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word what? Abnormal, unusual, regular, peculiar. But this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word what? Number A, abnormal, unusual, regular, peculiar. Number 4, as a result they are not paid much. The word paid means number A, established, B, donated, C, taken, D, salaried. As a result they are not paid much. The word paid means established, donated, taken, salaried. Number 5, so we should develop language skills of our workers for the countries they go for work. What does skill mean? Ability, heart, learning, first. So we should develop our language skill of our workers for the countries they go for work. What does skill means? Ability, heart, learning, first. Number 6, thus the wage earners of our country can help develop our country. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to wage? Salary, pay, income, spending. The wage earners of our country can help develop our country. Which of the following words has opposite meaning to wage? Salary, pay, income, spending. Number 7, a huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Here the word abroad is similar to altitude, belief, overseas, fate. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. Here the word abroad is similar to altitude, belief, overseas, fate. 8. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries. Here demand means system, deed, donation, claim. There is always a high demand of workers in some overseas country, in some foreign countries. Here demand means system, deed, donation, claim. Number 9. But this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word regret? Remorse, repentance, rejoice, sorrow. But this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Which of the following words is not a synonym of the word regret, remorse, repentance, rejoice, sorrow? Number 10 and the last one. As a result, they are not paid much. The word result means cause, consequence, reason, object. As a result, they are not paid much. The word result means cause, consequence, reason, and object. So, my dear students, your homework will be homework 8, submitted on Sunday. Lesson 26, the lesson we are learning today. Choose the best answer. Number 1, you will write only the answers. Please, you are requested to write only the answers. Don't pick up the questions, okay? So, my dear students, do your assign SW at home and submit on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library. You will also collect those copies on Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school libraries. You know, your SW is very important because we are giving SBS City and Diary Mark on the basis of the submission of your SW copies, and we are giving 2.5 mark each of your SW copies. So that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. About your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.